my name is Phil Thompson with StreamingChurch.tv, and I'm going to show you how the Ministry Multiplier works today. So, first of all, let's just be honest. I'm a former pastor. I know that Sunday morning is kind of like a sprint. You get maybe an hour or so to help your people grow spiritually, but what about the other 166, 167 hours? Well, that's where the Ministry Multiplier comes in. So we're going to show you how this works. Go right here at the top of your StreamingChurch.tv app and control panel. You can click this to access it. And this is our test account. So I'm going to show you, though, what you will have on your own StreamingChurch.tv account. This is the admin control panel, of course, and you can create a small group discussion guide, daily devotionals, sermon summary, one-pager, prayer prompt sheets, youth, student discussion guides, children's lesson guide, all that good stuff, all from one of your past sermons. So the first thing you want to do is decide what do you want to do here with one of your past sermons. Let's say you want to create a small group discussion guide. So you want to click that. Now you want to be able to select a sermon. Now this is our test account, so it's going to see test account on here. I'll show you in a moment, but we have a sermon that we already processed. So I'm going to choose this sermon that we already did. Now, you need to understand when you first do this, it's going to take 2 or 3 minutes for this whole thing to work for your brand new sermon that it's processing. Now, we already did this, so this is kind of the short version of it. This will take you to an AI prompt. Now, remember, I chose to create a small group discussion guide, and this is your AI prompt. Now, you can edit this. You can do different things with it. This says test church account, which is us, but we want 5 key points. Maybe you only want 3 key points. You can do all that stuff here and create whatever you want, and then just click Create Small Group Discussion. Now again, this is going to take a couple minutes or so, but it's going to create, and it's going to give you this discussion guide that you will be able to use to give to your people during the week. You can print it out and hand it out to people. You can download it as a PDF. You can do lots of different things. This, copy and paste it, send it in emails, all that good stuff. But here's what it did. Took a message and it created 5 points. So this is all something that you can do. You don't have the time to do all this and be a senior pastor and content creator and all that good stuff. So again, there's lots of different options here. You can take the same sermon and do daily devotionals. You can do youth study guides, prayer prompts. All this stuff will work all from one sermon or from other sermons. So check it out today. Just go to your StreamingChurch.tv admin control panel. And if you have any questions, reach out to us. My name is Phil Thompson. Have yourself a great day.